Hey, what's up, side hustlers? If you're looking for a super easy way to make a quick $9 just by playing games and testing apps, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my money-making tips. And if you want videos specific to your country, drop your country in the comments below. I'm always looking to help everyone, worldwide. Alright, let's get into it. There's a website called Playtest Cloud, and it's kind of a hidden gem for anyone who wants to make some extra cash online. Here's how it works. Companies are always making new mobile games, and before they release them to the public, they need real people, like you and me, to test them out and give honest feedback. Playtest Cloud is the middleman. They connect these game companies with regular folks who just want to play games and earn money for it. Signing up is free, and you don't need any special skills or expensive equipment, just your phone or tablet, and maybe a pair of headphones. Here's the cool part. For every game or app you test, you get paid around $9, and these tests aren't long. They usually take between 15 to 20 minutes. That means you can literally earn $9 during your coffee break, your commute, or whenever you have a bit of downtime. Once you finish a test, Playtest Cloud sends your feedback off to the developers, and then you get paid directly to your PayPal account. There's no minimum payout, so you get your money after every test, usually within a few days. No waiting around for weeks to cash out. And yeah, it's legit. I've checked it out myself, and I've seen plenty of people making money through this site. The more tests you qualify for, the more you can earn. Just make sure to fill out your profile honestly, so you get matched with games that fit your interests and devices. So, if you want to turn your spare time into real money, Playtest Cloud could be the perfect side hustle for you. Plus, who doesn't love getting paid to play games? Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Playtest Cloud or any other app testing sites? Drop your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe so you'll always be the first to know about new ways to earn online. See you next time.